All right, Lasfit here again, and we are about to change the reverse lights on this Subaru Crosstrek. And these are the reverse lights. They're halogen, and we're going to be replacing them with LED or 7440 series white. So stay tuned, and we're going to show you the final performance of the after install.
All right, guys, so we're gonna start on the driver's side, okay? And what you wanna start is to be right here. You can see there's a little gap here, a little opening on the actual cover, right here, so a little notch. And you wanna start here. You wanna get either a plastic trim remover or a flathead, and just carefully don't damage your surrounding area. And you wanna put it in here and start prying it. As you can see, we already started, and it's already coming undone. And you wanna, in here, there's actually these little three hooks that hook into here. So what you wanna do is pull it this way, okay? So don't try to pull it in an angle because you can break these. So make sure you pull it straight out, and you should be able to do this, okay? Just like that. And this is the hooks I'm talking about. I'm gonna put it right here. You can see these hooks, okay? So when it's installed, it's like that. And when you put the little flathead or the screwdriver right here in this opening, it fits perfectly. You're just gonna pry it out like that, and it comes out really easy like you saw, okay? And when you're gonna put it in, same thing, make sure these go in first and then push it inwards, and you should be able to lock everything in place. So I'm gonna put that to the side now, and your bulb is right there, okay? You wanna turn it, so it'll be clockwise, and that'll be your bulb. Okay. It's a 7440. We're gonna pull this out real quick. Just like that. Damn, we got the rain coming down. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys can hear us. We got rain coming down, pouring, so I'm gonna try to talk a little bit louder. And at this point, you got your bulb out. You're gonna get your new 7440. This is gonna be a standard bulb, white, non-polarity, so you can just pop this in. All right, guys, so there it goes. You wanna make sure you put it all the way in, okay? It clipped in. It might be a little bit difficult to pop it in at first, but just take your time and it'll go all the way in, okay? Make sure it doesn't wiggle, make sure it's not loose. You're good, okay? So these are non-polarity. So this can go in any position, and it'll go in and it'll work. So I'm gonna test it for you right now. I'm gonna light it up. And then once we know it's working, we'll install it and show you a comparison between the halogen and the LED. And as you saw, everything's working. So we're gonna finish installing it and show you a comparison between the LED and the actual halogen bulb, okay? So you're just gonna install this here. Just like that, it's in, okay? Give it a tug, make sure it's not loose, doesn't come undone, and you're good. And you can put your cover back in again. Make sure you start from the hooks first. Just like that. That's good. So I'm gonna close it. Alright guys, so now we're going to do the passenger side, and we're going to do the same procedure. We already removed the cover. We're going to pull that out and install the new bulb, and then show you the final results, okay? So there you have it, guys. We just completed this Crosstrek, the 2018. We installed the 7440 whites in the reverse lights. Just gonna show you real quick. They're really bright. Let's see if I can get it to dim it down. There you go. That's our bulb in there. Okay. And just quick comparison. If you can let go of the brake lights, please. You can see the actual light reflecting right here. And the neat thing is too that we have the backup camera. And you can also, you get more light as well. So if we had a darker room, you'll be able to notice the light even better. I shouldn't take in a quick comparison of the halogens, but we just got the idea right now, and we kind of, we got to get this done as soon as possible, and we just want to make sure we get this shown. But you'll be getting more light as well, and it won't affect your cameras, okay? So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So just one more time, show you guys the light bouncing off the wall. There you go. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.